Hi, this is Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes so that you can pay the right vendor. Now, this week's vendor master file tip of the week just happens to be on coworkers again, but it's only because I want to make sure that it resonates. But coworker secret Santa, right? We've all done that, but you do need to beware of brushing scams. So what is that? And I do want to call your attention to this little emblem here, scam busting, the scam holidays. So more coming on that. So what the heck is brushing? So let's say you are participating in your company's Secret Santa for the holidays. And now that means you have gone, let's say, online to purchase that gift, and that gift will be shipped. Well, now the Frosters have your address. Not that they didn't already have it, and they may not have gotten it from wherever you purchased the gift from online. They could have already had it, but they could get it from that transaction. But anyway, they have your address. All of a sudden, you get a box. Maybe it's your coworker gift. Nah, the fraudster has sent you that box so that they can write a fake review as you as a verified buyer because technically you have received or someone has received, right, that product. And you might think, well, heck, I get free products. Why is that an issue? Where the biggest issue is that the fraudster has your address, and they usually don't just have an address. They might have other information on you, and that other information can be used for personal fraud or fraud against your personal accounts, and also against your company, your coworkers, right? So they may have information that links you to coworkers that could be used to perpetrate fraud on your company. And with that in mind, especially during this time of the year where we have three scam holidays, right? We've got Black Friday, and then following Monday is Cyber Monday, and then Tuesday, because it's always a Tuesday after the U.S. Thanksgiving, there's Giving Tuesday, and so that's when um, uh, lots of donations are made, and some companies will match their employees' donations, and so fraudsters were probably up all last week, last weekend, right? Trying to get all these frauds ready for this trilogy of holidays that really starts the whole, right, scam holidays period from Thanksgiving through to New Year's. And so I have a page where every week I'm going to talk about a different type of scam, and this week is shipping scam. So go ahead and make sure you either click the link in the description to go over there, or you can use the QR code, and just make sure you keep up with the content. And speaking of that, the podcast is on 2 tips to avoid the turkeys in shipping scams. So again, this week is on shipping scams, and these are actually 2 tips from the U.S. Postal Inspection Service. And I did not know either one of them. So go ahead and make sure you listen. It is going to pop up after this video, but you can also listen to it anywhere you listen to podcasts, and it is a playlist on YouTube. All right, so that was a lot for today. So if you would like more information on how to improve your process, please go to my website at deborarrichardson.com. And if you would like more information on scam holidays or up to 149 hours of annual training on vendor processes, please go to my training site at training.deborarrichardson.com. So good luck, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.